An Awesome Book of Thanks, written and illustrated by Dallas Clayton. There didn't used to be boats. There didn't used to be cars. There didn't used to be people. There didn't used to be stars. There didn't used to be anything. But now there's a lot. So when I look around at all that we've got, I say, thank you. Thank you to the sun above. Thank you for my friends I love. Thank you for the earth and air. Thank you for the food to share. And thanks for trees, and thanks for trains, and for the breeze, and for the rain. And thanks for books to fill my brain. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you ocean deep. And desert dry, and mountain steep. And pigs, and cows, and ducks, and sheep, and horses, geese, and hens, and foxes, Dachshunds, oxen, snakes, magic rocks, and lucky breaks. Having all the time it takes, and boxes for pretend. And balls to kick, and kites to fly, and places to go when you want to cry. And people to find you've never met, and things to wish you might never get. Girelephants in silly hats, skipping rope with jungle cats. And alligator acrobats. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And friendly folks in every state. Thanks to them, they're all so great. And thanks to cities and countries too, like Australia and Sweden and France and Peru. And to planets like Saturn and Venus and Mars. I've never been there, but they don't seem so far. To moms and dads and sisters and brothers, teachers and doctors and artists and others, who make all our lives so much better for living, thanks to music and dancing and singing and giving. It's so easy, we see these things every day, to forget to say thank you in every way. Thanks for patience and hopes and rewards and revisions, wizards and lizards and delightful decisions. Thanks for taking time. Thanks for going fast. Thanks for jumping high. Thanks for finishing last, because first isn't always the best place to be. Thanks for second and fifth, on through 453. Thank you big things, like gigantic dino machines, and to small things, and all things that fall in between. Even bad things. Those bad things can turn out to be good. Those bumps and those bruises that turn couldn'ts to coulds. Thank you to those, for they make us all stronger. They make us all smarter. They make us last longer. So long that we make up new things for new thanks. New things that can climb up so high in the ranks that we thank them without even telling them thanks. Thank you to all that has ever existed and everything else I could never have listed. There didn't used to be thank yous, so thank you for those. Thank you in languages I don't even know. Thank you with kisses and thank you with hugs from a part of my heart that is so full of love. I say thank you to you just for being yourself. Yourself's as important as anything else. Thank you. So thank you, my child, as you read these last lines. Remember to thank you when someone is kind. Because thank yous are what make this whole world keep spinning. So thank you, the end. And thanks, new beginning.